Have you ever noticed your feet and ankles looking puffy, maybe even a little larger than usual, especially after a long day on your feet or sitting at your desk? Sometimes they might feel tender, achy, or even a bit heavy, making it uncomfortable to walk or move around. This common swelling known as edema is actually your body's way of signaling that its fluid system isn't working quite as smoothly as it should. Swollen ankles can happen for many reasons. Maybe you've been sitting or standing for hours, you're pregnant, or you've just had a long flight. Even hot weather or salty foods can play a role, as gravity naturally pulls fluids down to your lower legs and feet. Underneath your skin, your circulatory and lymphatic systems are constantly working to move fluids throughout your body. But sometimes, pressure builds up in your blood vessels or lymph nodes, causing fluid to leak out and collect in the surrounding tissues. The result? That familiar puffiness and swelling you see and feel in your ankles, which can range from mild to more noticeable. The good news is that, in most cases, your body can restore balance on its own, especially if you give it a little support and care. You don't need complicated treatments or expensive products. Simple, natural remedies like elevating your legs, gentle massage, or soaking your feet can make a big difference in reducing swelling and discomfort. In this guide, I'll walk you through 5 easy, effective ways to reduce ankle swelling at home and help your body feel its best. Let's get started on the path to healthier, happier ankles together. It may sound odd at first, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Drinking more water is actually one of the best and easiest ways to reduce swelling in your body, especially in your feet and ankles. When you're dehydrated, your body tries to protect itself by holding on to every drop of fluid it can, which leads to puffiness and swelling, particularly in your lower legs and feet. By staying hydrated, you're sending a signal to your body that it's safe to let go of that extra water. This helps your system flush out what it doesn't need, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 8 glasses a day, but remember, everyone's needs are different. If you're active, in a hot climate, or just feeling thirsty, you might need more. Keep a water bottle nearby and make it a habit to sip throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty. This helps keep your hydration levels steady. One easy way to check if you're drinking enough is to look at your urine. It should be a pale yellow color. If it's darker, that's your body's way of telling you to drink more water. Hydration also helps your kidneys do their job, flushing out excess sodium and waste from your system, which further reduces fluid retention and swelling. Think of each glass of water as a small, caring act for your body, a gentle reminder that you're looking after yourself in the simplest way possible. Drinking water is truly the simplest, most effective step you can take toward lighter, happier feet and a healthier you overall. Start making hydration a priority today, and you'll soon notice the difference in how you feel from head to toe. Gravity pulls fluids down, making swelling worse by day's end. The solution? Elevate your feet above your heart. Lie down, prop your legs on pillows, and relax for 20-30 minutes. This simple act helps fluid flow back toward your core, easing pressure on your ankles. Try this a few times a day, especially in the evening. Use the time to unwind, listen to music, or just breathe deeply. Visualize the swelling receding as fluid returns to your circulation. Elevation is a powerful, natural way to reduce swelling and support your body's recovery. Make it part of your daily routine for best results. A warm Epsom salt foot bath is a soothing remedy for swollen ankles. Epsom salt, made of magnesium and sulfate, draws out excess fluid through your skin. Fill a basin with warm water, add half a cup of Epsom salt, and soak your feet for 15-20 minutes. The minerals help reduce swelling and relax your muscles. For extra comfort, add a few drops of calming essential oil. Repeat this ritual a few times a week for best results. It's more than a remedy, it's a moment of relaxation and self-care. Let the salt and warmth ease your discomfort and leave you feeling lighter, simple, natural, and effective. Compression socks are like a gentle hug for your legs, supporting circulation all day. They apply the most pressure at your ankles, gradually lessening up the leg, helping push fluid upward. This prevents blood and fluid from pooling, reducing swelling and fatigue. Choose socks with light to moderate compression for everyday use. Put them on in the morning before swelling starts, and wear them throughout the day. Make sure they fit snugly, but comfortably, never too tight. Compression socks are a simple, proactive way to keep your legs feeling energized. Add them to your routine for lasting relief. Magnesium is a key mineral for fluid balance in your body. Low magnesium can contribute to swelling by disrupting how your body manages sodium and potassium. Eat magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Even dark chocolate is a tasty source. If you suspect a deficiency, talk to your doctor about supplements. The right magnesium intake helps your body regulate fluids and reduce puffiness. Support your body from the inside out with this essential mineral. Small dietary changes can make a big difference. Movement is absolutely vital for healthy legs and feet. Your calf muscles act as a natural pump, helping to push fluid back up your legs and prevent it from pooling around your ankles. Even small movements can make a big difference in keeping your circulation strong and reducing swelling. If you find yourself sitting or standing for long periods, remember to take regular breaks. Get up to walk around, stretch your legs, or do simple ankle circles at your desk or while watching TV. These little actions help keep your blood flowing and your muscles engaged. Gentle foot and ankle massage, always moving your hands upward toward your heart, can also help move trapped fluid and ease discomfort. Massage not only supports circulation, but it can also be a relaxing way to care for yourself at the end of a long day. Use a little lotion or oil to make massage more comfortable and soothing. The added moisture can help soften your skin, while the gentle touch encourages relaxation and stress relief. Choose fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and try to limit salty, processed snacks. Eating a balanced diet helps your body maintain fluid balance and supports overall wellness, making it easier to manage swelling. These simple habits, hydration, elevation, movement, and good nutrition, work together to prevent swelling and keep your legs feeling light and comfortable. Elevating your feet above heart level for a few minutes each day can also help reduce puffiness. If swelling is severe, persistent, or comes with pain, redness, or heat, it's important to see a doctor. These could be signs of a more serious condition that needs medical attention. Most swelling is harmless and temporary, but sometimes it signals a more serious issue. So always listen to your body and don't hesitate to seek help if you're concerned. Pay attention to what your body is telling you and use these natural remedies as your first line of support. Simple self-care routines can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Your body is resilient. Give it the care, attention, and kindness it deserves, and you'll be rewarded with comfort and well-being. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.